Are Volvos reliable? Volvo has a strong reputation for safety, durability, and premium quality, but its reliability varies by model and year. While older Volvos were known for long-lasting performance, some newer models have experienced electrical and infotainment system issues. This guide examines Volvo's reliability ratings, common problems, maintenance costs, and how it compares to other brands. 1. Volvo's reliability ratings. Volvo's reliability is considered above average, but it is not as consistent as brands like Toyota or Honda. RepairPal gives Volvo a 3.5 out of 5 rating, ranking it 17th out of 32 car brands. Annual maintenance costs are around $769, which is higher than the industry average of $652. Consumer Reports ranks some newer Volvo models as average or below average in reliability, mainly due to electronic and software-related issues. Second, common Volvo problems. While Volvos are well-built and durable, some models have experienced recurring issues, including electrical system failures, issues with sensors, battery drainage, and software glitches, infotainment system malfunctions, slow response, screen freezing, or Bluetooth connectivity problems, automatic transmission problems. Some models have rough shifting or delayed response over time, oil leaks and engine issues, occasional turbocharger and timing belt failures in older models, expensive repairs. While Volvo parts are high quality, repairs can be costly compared to non-luxury brands. 3. How long do Volvos last? Volvos can last 200,000 plus miles with proper maintenance. Many older Volvo models, pre-2010, are known for their longevity, often reaching 300,000 miles. Newer Volvos 2015 and later, especially with complex electronics, may require more frequent repairs. Regular servicing, oil changes, and timing belt replacements help extend Volvo's lifespan. 4. Volvo maintenance and repair costs. Volvo has higher than average maintenance costs compared to mainstream brands. Average annual maintenance cost, around $769 per year. Luxury parts and labor make Volvo more expensive to maintain than Toyota or Honda. However, Volvos require fewer major repairs than BMW, Audi, or Mercedes-Benz. 5th, most and least reliable Volvo models. Most reliable Volvo models. Volvo XC60, strong reliability ratings especially for post-2018 models. Volvo S60, a dependable luxury sedan with fewer mechanical issues. Volvo V60 wagon, known for longevity and solid performance. Least reliable Volvo models. Volvo XC90. Some models have had electrical and transmission problems. Volvo S90, infotainment and engine-related issues in certain years. Older T5 and T6. Turbocharged models, more prone to oil leaks and turbo issues. 6. How Volvo compares to other brands. More reliable than BMW, Audi, and Land Rover, with lower repair frequency. Less reliable than Toyota, Honda, and Lexus, with higher maintenance costs. Comparable to Mercedes-Benz and Acura, offering luxury but requiring regular upkeep. 7. Is a Volvo a good long-term investment? Volvo is a good choice for safety, durability, and premium comfort, but reliability varies by model. Older, simpler Volvos, pre-2010, are extremely reliable, lasting over 200,000 miles. Newer Volvos, 2015 and later, require more maintenance, especially due to electronic and software issues. If you prioritize safety, design, and comfort, Volvo is a strong option. If you want low maintenance costs and top-tier reliability, Toyota or Lexus may be better. Volvo vehicles offer above-average reliability, high safety ratings, and strong durability, but they require higher maintenance costs than non-luxury brands. If properly maintained, Volvos can last for many years, making them a solid long-term investment for buyers who value premium features and safety.